Welcome today in front of me XIAOMI 11T Pro, and I'll show you how to hide photo albums in this device. So first you should go to the Gallery app, and right there go to the albums. We got here the 2 albums, and now just press for a while on your album, and right there you will see the hide icon. Now just type here to the icon and confirm to hide this album. So now if you want to find this album, tap here on the 3 dots on right upper corner and go to the settings, and here you can see the you hide an album section. Tap here and now you can see this hide album. If you wanna take back this album, just tap here to unhide and confirm by OK, and right there you can see that this album is here right now. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.